Most people think that winning an argument means talking louder, talking faster, or having the last word. They are wrong. In fact, the moment you start shouting or interrupting, you have already lost control. The most powerful weapon in any conflict is not your voice, it is your silence. Today I am going to teach you a dark psychology technique called the strategic pause that allows you to win arguments and dominate conversations without raising your voice. Here is the psychology behind it. When someone is angry or trying to attack you verbally, they expect resistance. They expect you to fight back, to defend yourself, or to get emotional. Their brain is prepared for a battle. But when you stay silent, you break that pattern. You deny them the reaction they are desperate for. This creates what psychologists call a vacuum of anxiety. So how do you use this effectively? Here is the 3-step method. Step 1 is the 4-second rule. When someone finishes shouting at you or asks you a rude question, do not answer immediately. Look them directly in the eyes and count to 4 in your head. 1, 2, 3, 4. This silence is incredibly uncomfortable for them. In that short time, their brain starts to panic. They start thinking, did he hear me? Did I go too far? Why isn't he reacting? This shifts the power dynamic instantly from them to you. Step 2 is the non-reactive stare. While you are pausing, keep your face completely neutral. Do not frown, do not look away, and do not smirk. Just look at them with a blank expression. This signals that their emotions have zero impact on you. It makes you look like the adult in the room and makes them look like a child throwing a tantrum. Often the silence becomes so awkward that they will start talking again just to fill the gap. They might even start apologizing or backtracking on what they just said. Step 3 is the low and slow response. When you finally decide to speak after your pause, keep your voice low and your speed slow. Do not match their energy. If they are screaming, you whisper. If they are fast, you are slow. This forces them to calm down to hear you. You can simply say, "Are you finished?" Or, "I can hear that you are upset, but I will not continue this until you calm down." Remember, silence is not weakness, silence is confidence. The person who talks the most in an argument is usually the one who is the most insecure. The person who remains calm and uses silence is the one who holds the true power. Try the strategic pause the next time someone tries to provoke you. Watch how quickly they crumble when you refuse to play their game. If you want to learn more about communication skills and how to command respect, make sure to subscribe. I will see you in the next video.